뭐야,你看这我这个。关到我吗？好了，老师，关关着。来的屁了吗？
Do you have Instagram?
Yeah, I have Instagram.
I'm gonna put this on Instagram.
Oh, yeah, thank you. May I have your Instagram account?
You bet, I'll give it to you.
This day is the patio. They made a new patio.
Yeah, the new patio, right?
Yeah.
Maybe soon. I don't. Is it open?
Built
Just
for
open?
party?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Construction.
Yeah, lots of construction. So, what's your favorite food to eat? Chinese food.
Chinese what? Chinese
The food.
food. Oh, Chinese food. I like spicy food.
Oh, there you go. Me too.
Yes, I'm from Spicy City.
You're from a spicy city?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm really from Spicy City. My hometown is from Chongqing.
Do they raise peppers there?
Yeah. So I was grown up with
Yeah.
pepper, with spicy food.
Can you trim these a little bit? Yeah. And also make sure inside my ears are. Here you go. Come over here and I'll get your picture with me.
Okay.
All right.